everybody, Lammy here, and I just wanted to let you know what's going on. Well, I'm at the farm, as you know, and you know something, to be honest, it doesn't rain very often in California, and it never thunderstorms where I live. So anyway, we're here at the farm, and I hear thunder off in the distance, so we're on thunderstorm watch. We're going to try to get one on film. Will it lightning and rain too, Mom?
Maybe.
Well, we're in this enclosed porch area, so that way I won't get wet, so we're going to keep an eye on it. Wow, Mom, look at those clouds.
Now, Lammy, I'm not standing outside here for very long, because if it starts raining hard, you're going to get wet.
All right, well, I just wanted to come out for a minute so you could get a clearer shot of everything.
All right, well, it's starting to sprinkle, Lammy, so we can't...
Oh, I hear it up there, Mom, I hear it. Oh, Mom, the pond's pretty. Look at the pond. There's water on it.
Well, I know there's water on the pond.
Oh, you know what I mean. It's raindrops. Look, it's pretty. Go get it.
Lammy, we're going inside. It's starting to rain harder.
All right, let's go. Okay, guys, so the roof on this back porch area is made of tin. So it's like rain on a tin roof. Do you hear how loud that is? Pretty loud, huh, guys? This is neat. I want to see some lightning, though. Let's go look out the other window. Come on, Mom. Wow. Mom, can we go film the pond?
Well, I'm not going out in the rain. If you want to film it from the front porch, we can, but I'm not getting out in it.
Okay, let's go. Come on. Okay, guys, so we didn't actually go out on the porch. We're in one of the bedrooms, and there's a big door that looks out over the pond, so we can see the rain on the pond. It's pretty neat. Look at all that water.
Yeah, it's a lot of water, huh?
Yeah, everything's getting a drink. Look at the bird bath, Mom. There's water going in it.
Yep.
Look, Mom, there's deer running way in the back. Did you see them? Look, they're right there in the middle. Sorry about the screen, guys.
It's okay, Lammy. They understand. The deer are just trying to get into the woods because it's raining.
Yeah, they were running. Wow, it's raining pretty bad, Mom.
Yeah, it's raining harder, huh?
Yeah, it's hitting that roof up there. Man. Wow. It's raining pretty hard, Mom.
Yep. Well, Lammy, are you alright?
I guess, Mom, it's so dark out here you can't even see me on the screen.
I know, that's because the electricity went out, Lammy.
Oh my goodness.
Don't be afraid. You said you loved thunderstorms.
Well, I do like them, but this one's gone on forever, it seems.
I know, it keeps going and keeps going. But we're okay. I'll keep you safe.
Okay, good. Oh. All right, well, can we go back inside now?
Well, we're on an enclosed porch area. We're pretty safe here.
I know, but I'm still a little nervous.
All right, I'll take you back inside. Do you still love thunderstorms?
Yeah, I do. It's a nice change of pace. And the weather in LA is always sunny.
Yeah, that's true. All right, you ready to go in and relax?
Yeah, I think I filmed enough. Is this enough for the video, Mom?
Yep, it sure is. We can go in now.
Okay, let's go. Anyway, guys, remember, if you're ever in a storm, stay away from the windows and go inside, because lightning is scary. Anyway, guys, bye!